What's up and welcome back, it's your Tech Dude here. So ngayon i-review naman natin itong Plexstone G23 na again pinadala sa atin ng Plexstone. Maraming salamat muli. So alamin natin ang mga specs and features nitong G23 gaming earphones na to at titingnan rin natin mamaya ang isang kakaibang feature na ngayon ko lang nakita sa mga gaming earphones. Pero bago tayo magsimula, this video is sponsored by cdkoffers.com. cdkoffers.com is an all-in-one website where you could buy affordably cheap software and games license keys. They offer a vast catalog on their site. Just simply look for whichever software games you're looking for. Click on the buy now button and you should be taken to the order confirmation page. I know their license keys are already cheap, but want to make it cheaper? Simply enter DUDE20, which is an exclusive discount code that will give you a 20% discount from your purchases. Then enter your payment details and you should immediately receive the key once the payment has been confirmed. After receiving the key, you can then activate your software or games instantly. That's just how easy it is in CDK offers. Plus, should you encounter any problems or issues, feel free to contact their chat support that will assist you instantly, well based on my experience. For this review, magsisimula tayo sa unboxing at titingnan rin natin ang design at specifications ng earphones na to. After nun, magkakandak tayo ng simpleng audio test. At sa huli, ibibigay ko ang sarili kong verdict based sa observation and testing ko dito sa G23 gaming earphones ng Plexstone. Let's start now with the unboxing. Para mabuksan natin, gagamitin na natin itong cutter para matanggal natin yung plastic dito sa G23. Ayan, tanggalan natin and of course, dahan-dahan lang tayong bubukas nito. Hi, anyway, ayoko na ulitin yun. So, ito yung makikita mo upon opening the box. Isang 3.5mm Y-splitter converter cable, some warranty cards, and also yung manual nitong earphones na to. And of course, replacement silicone earpods and yung clip rin ng earphones. Ito naman yung sound cell replacement para dun sa earphones. And of course, ito yung earphones itself. May tatlong color variations itong Plexstone G23 earphones: black, red at green. Flat flexible wire ang design nito na mayroong 3.5mm na audio jack. The design of these earphones is actually patterned sa design ng bullet. So kung mapapansin mo, mukha siyang bullet. So doon nila binasa yung design nitong earphones na to since this is built for gaming. This earphones, tulad ng any gadgets na mayroon ng Plexstone, is very lightweight. It only weighs around 3.7 grams according dito sa box nyo. While may previous review with the Plexstone RX3, may mga nagustuhan yung earphones na yun except dun sa ear hook kasi medyo masakit sa tenga lalo na kung matagal kang gumagamit o naglalaro. Well, kung isa ka sa mga ayaw ng may silicone ear hook na earphones, magugustuhan mo tong G23 ng Plexstone kasi mas magiyan at comfortable tong gamitin kahit matagalan since wala siyang ear hooks na sa iba comfortable at sa iba naman hindi siya comfortable. I'm not sure if well fitted to sa lahat ng tenga pero sa akin pasok na pasok rin tong earphones na to sa tenga ko kaya kahit walang ear hook hindi siya nahuhulog. Isa sa mga pinaka-highlight nitong G23 ay ang kanyang variable sound cell na kung saan ini-enhance nito ang audio quality depending kung ano ang nilalaro mo. May dalawang sound cell ito, green na para sa Mobile Legends, League of Legends at kahit anong laro na hindi FPS at pula naman para ma-enhance ang gunfire and shots. Pasok ito for FPS games tulad ng COD Mobile or even sa Valorant. Detachable itong sound cell na to. Simply remove first itong silica gel ear cup na itong parang plastic before dito sa earphones. Then simply unscrew the sound cell depending kung anong kailangan mo. So either red or green, just simply interchange between those colors. Just simply unscrew it and madali lang siyang tanggalin at ibalik. This earphones is also compatible sa mobile phone, PC, PS5, Xbox Series or even Nintendo Switch. Just a tip, kung ang audio interface na paggagamitan mo ay need na separate ang input and output, simply use this 3.5mm Y converter cable which will split the input and output para mapagana mo siya sa desktop or basically any gadgets na need ng separate input and output interface such as yung mic and speaker. So just simply plug this 3.5mm jack dito sa converter cable natin and make sure na nag-click siya because like on my other previous videos that uses splitter converter cables, sometimes walang audio lumalabas when you are plugging this on your computer or any gadget gadgets. Basically, kadalasan ay hindi siya nakasagad, so you need to make sure na nagki-click siya and fully sagad yung pagkakonect nitong Y-splitter converter and itong 3.5mm adapter nitong earphones mo.
Maikling audio test lang using the built-in microphone of Plextone G23 gaming earphones that has a built-in anti-noise circuit and anti-jamming microphone.
Alright, for my final verdict, if you're looking for budget and simple and lightweight na earphones, then this G23 earphones is most likely for you. Lalo na if you don't want the ear hook design ng previous or other models ng Plextone earphones, then basically baka magustuhan mo talaga to since it's lightweight, comfortable, and offers almost the same quality like the other models of Plextone. Nagustuhan ko yung replaceable sound cell concept ni Plextone dito sa G23 earphones that supposedly enhances the audio to improve your gameplay. Another thing na nagustuhan ko is that when inserted and fitted properly sa tenga mo ay may somewhat noise cancellation. I don't know kung feature na talaga yun, pero I like that one kasi para mas malinaw at engage ka sa sound environment mo kapag naglalaro ka or even just listening to music. So that concludes my review with Plextone's G23 gaming earphones, and I'm giving away this to random people sa comment section down below once this video reaches 1,000 views. Kaya feel free to share this with your friends para ma-reach na natin yung 1,000 views sa video na to. Just simply comment lang kayo sa baba, baka kayo na manalo nitong G23 gaming earphones ng Plextone. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I managed to give you insights about Plextone's G23 gaming earphones. Feel free to leave your comments and feedbacks down below. At syempre ending na, so kung nakarating ka na dito, hit mo na yung subscribe button, matik na yan. As always, it's your Tech Dude here. See you in my next videos.